Does jerking off lower your testosterone? You've seen it in memes, you've heard it in rumors, but what's actually true? This is a question which every guy has kind of wondered at some point. You've got fitness bros saying it'll destroy your gains, and you've got the no-fap warriors saying you'll unlock God mode if you stop. And then there's you, just trying to feel normal and wondering what the hell is actually right. So let's break it down. What's fact? What's fiction? This will be a quick one. I'm Dr. Seth Capehart. I'm an ER physician, former special agent, and just a normal guy who's been obsessed with human performance and health optimization for over 20 years now. And today, I'm answering this question once and for all because I've been asked 1,000 times, and you don't need any more shame or BS. You need clarity. Let's go. So, does masturbation lower your testosterone? Well, here's the science. There was a 2001 study found that abstaining for 3 weeks didn't significantly raise testosterone levels, but there was a small spike in T around day 7 of abstinence. That's it. After that, flatline. Another study in 2007 showed that sexual arousal actually caused a temporary increase in testosterone, with the peak being during ejaculation. However, these levels returned to baseline within minutes. So, if you're watching certain videos, it might be giving you a temporary boost, but it's not building long-term gains. The takeaway? Masturbation doesn't tank your testosterone, but it doesn't really boost it either. Here's where it gets more real. It's not about jerking off once in a while, it's about how often, why you're doing it, and what you're watching when you do. You see, if you're blasting porn 2 to 3 times a day and you're numbing your brain with endless scrolling, you're desensitizing your dopamine system that crushes motivation and lowers your drive. And yeah, you will tank your testosterone over time, indirectly. Because when your dopamine's flatlined, you're not chasing real things anymore. You're not chasing your goals or workouts or sex or challenge or girls. You're just chasing pixels for pleasure. And that's where the problem starts. And don't get me started on the post-nut guilt. That crap is real, and it's tied more to shame and low confidence and lack of discipline than it is actually tied to hormones. So how do you know if your habit is hurting you? Well, ask yourself these questions. Are you skipping workouts because you're too tired or unmotivated? Do you feel numb after watching porn? Are your relationships suffering? Are your erections weaker than they used to be? If you answer yes to any of those, it's not the act of masturbation that's hurting you, it's the addiction itself. And yeah, that can absolutely screw up your testosterone, your brain, and your entire life. So what should you do instead? You don't have to go full monk mode, but just take back control. Cut back the frequency 1 to 2 times per week is plenty. Ditch the porn, your brain will thank you, and your dopamine system will thank you. Replace the habit with something that actually raises testosterone. Things like heavy lifting, cold showers, chasing hard goals, getting sun, winning at life. And if you're really serious about optimizing your hormones, your drive, your energy, and your confidence, it goes way beyond just this. You need a full system, and that's why I built my course and private community, The Tribe. That's where we go to dig deep on this stuff. So check it out, links below. Bottom line, masturbation by itself isn't the enemy. But what you're doing to your habits, your mindset, your dopamine system, that's the real problem. And if you want to go deeper, join the newsletter, get into the tribe. Links are down below. Until next time, keep moving, brother.